In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the group name in WhatsApp. Changing the group name is a simple process that can be done quickly. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application and then tap Chats. After that, tap and select the group chat for which you want to change the name. Then tap on the group name at the top left. And then tap Edit. Now you can change the group name. Simply type in the new name for your group. Then tap Done to save changes. The new group name will be updated instantly for all members to see. Remember, in most WhatsApp groups, only admins have permission to change the group name, so make sure you have admin rights before attempting to make any changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.